At the present moment, we have 43 domestic cases of the coronavirus, 48 cases of individuals who have returned to the United States. Of the domestic cases, 29 of the 43 are either in California or Washington State. And we have communities that are facing what the experts tell us could potentially be a cluster in those communities. Sadly, today, there were 4 additional fatalities, raising the number that 6 Americans have lost their life to the coronavirus. And on behalf of the President and all of the American people, we extend our deepest condolences and sympathies to the families.
States providing health care to 60 million Americans.
Let's be clear. The risk to the American people of the coronavirus remains low, according to all of the experts that we're working with across the government. And as the President has said, we're ready for anything, but this is an all-hands-on-deck effort.
Secretary Azar. So for the Trump administration and CMS, patients...
We also met today with some of the leaders of the top pharmaceutical companies in the country. The President spoke to them not just about vaccines, which many of the companies are already beginning to work on, but just as importantly, the development of therapeutics. And it is remarkable to think that there may well be a vaccine going to clinical trials within the next 6 weeks. The nature of trials, as the experts have explained to us, is that the vaccine might yet not be available till late this year or early next, but the therapeutics, giving relief to people that contract the coronavirus, could literally be available by this summer or early fall.
Million American seniors, and as we've seen, this disease...
Yesterday, we were fully implementing the new travel advisories for portions of Italy and South Korea, and the implementation of screening of personnel from across those countries who are trying to take a direct flight to the United States of America. I was pleased in the White House Task Force meeting today to learn that within the next 12 hours, there will be 100% screening, all direct flights at all airports across Italy and across South Korea.
So Seema Verma, our administrator, has a very important responsibility with regard to funding of... I just want to begin by recapping the current situation that we face with COVID-19. As the Vice President mentioned, as of this morning, we have 43 confirmed or presumptive cases of the virus in the United States, excluding our repatriated cases. 17 of those cases are travel-related in one way or another. 26 are believed to be person-to-person spread. Because of the President's strong leadership and all of the hard work that our public health professionals have done at the local, the state, the federal level, the immediate risk to any individual American has been and does continue to be low. But the risk for people with possible exposure to identified cases can be high. What every one of our experts and leaders have been saying for more than a month now remains true. The degree of risk has the potential to change quickly, especially if we see sustained spread of the disease around the world, which could qualify this disease as a pandemic.